Hi, boys and girls. Today's book I'm going to read to you is about flowers. Looking for flowers. Let's go on a nature walk. Do you see any flowers? Look for colorful petals. Petals are many colors. A tiger lily is orange. The petals on this flower are pink. Look for stems. A stem takes water to the flower. Water helps flowers grow. Here's the stem on this flower. Look for leaves. A leaf takes in sunlight. Sunlight helps flowers grow too. What color are the leaves on this flower? That's right, they're green. Look on trees. Orange blossoms are white. Blossoms grow first, then the fruit grows. What color are the blossoms in this tree? That's right, they're white. Look on a bush. A wild rose is pink. It has thorns. Do you see the thorns on this flower? That's right, here they are. Be careful, they're very sharp. Look for a butterfly. It drinks nectar from flowers. Look for a bee. It gathers pollen from flowers. Do you see the pollen in this picture? Where do you see flowers? The end.